Hey guys, if you are looking for best water filters for drinking tap water, you chose right video. Today we going to review top 5 best water filters for drinking tap water on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Aquasana Under Sink Water Filter System. To avoid frequent refilling, consider the Aquasana 3-Stage Max Flow Chlorium Under Sink Water Filter System. As the name suggests, this option installs under the sink, so it will not take up too much space. While it might seem that this water filter would be complex to install, setup is easy and does not require a plumber. The Aquasana 3-Stage Max Flow Chlorium Under Sink Water Filter System works to clean your tap water by reducing the presence of contaminants without removing nutrients. Because filters only need to be replaced about every 6 months, this water filter is a more economical choice. Just like installation, filters are simple to replace as water lines and hoses do not need to be disconnected. Now our second choice is Culligan FM15 Advanced Faucet Mount Filter. Without any tools, you can easily attach this filter to your sink's faucet. To provide clean, good-tasting water, this faucet attachment works to reduce contaminants like chlorine, giardia, cryptosporidium, azine, lindane, and bad odors. This is achieved through a carbon block filtration system. The Culligan FM15 Advanced Faucet Mount Filter has a diverter valve system that allows you to switch quickly between filtered and unfiltered water. With a capacity of 200 gallons, you should only have to replace this system's filter about every 2 months. This water filter is designed to fit most standard sink nozzles through included adapters. Now number 3, AquaTrue Connect Smart Water Filter System. If you want to keep your water filtration system on your kitchen counter, we suggest the AquaTrue Connect Smart Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. Setting up this countertop water filter is simple because it does not need to be installed or hooked up to your plumbing. All you will need to do is plug it in and ensure that the filters are in their designated spots. With a sleek and compact design, the AquaTrue Connect Smart Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System is the ideal for kitchen counter storage. The front display panel, as well as the Connect app, will indicate when you need to change your filter along with other important information. Filters for this system have a capacity for 600 to 1200 gallons, which means you might only have to change them every 2 years. At number 4, Katadyn BeFree 1.0 L Water Filter. Having clean water is essential when backpacking. We think the best water filter for backpacking is the Katadyn BeFree 1.0 L Water Filter. Because this water filter bottle has a collapsible design, it can easily be stored in your bag, jacket pocket, or other small spaces. This bottle with a filter works to eliminate harmful organisms from natural water you may need to drink while backpacking. The membrane filter can be easily cleaned by just shaking the bottle. The Katadyn BeFree 1.0 L Water Filter cleans water without chemicals. The bottle features a free-flowing channel that allows you to drink water quickly when you need it most. This nozzle is simple to keep clean, and it can even be replaced with a standard water bottle cap. A liter of water can be stored in this water filter bottle. At number 5, Brita Stainless Steel Water Filter Bottle. This 32-ounce bottle from Brita is an environmental choice because it can replace the use of single-use water bottles. Made with stainless steel, this bottle is durable and can keep your water cold for up to 24 hours. The lid included with this water filter bottle is leak-free, easy to drink from. This stainless steel bottle from Brita has a filter that fits inside the straw. To improve taste and reduce odors, this filter eliminates chlorine. For the best results, it is recommended that the filter be replaced every 40 gallons or after 2 months of use. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.